this is Ayush Patwal from IntelliRise Tech Solution, and today I'm going to present a session on AngularJS animations. AngularJS provides animations to your application which can help in addition to the beauty part of the UI part of the application. In AngularJS, animations are based on the CSS class. As long as the CSS class is attached to any of the HTML element, user can apply animations to their application. So let's flip to our Visual Studio. So over here, this is my AngularJS animation HTML file I have created over here. This is my code. So this is the title. Then I have included the script file of AngularJS and also of animations. Okay. Then over here I have included a style section. In the style section I have included div element. In the div element here I will be including the transition. What the transition is? Transition over here it is an effect. Okay, which is all linear, means all the transition will be taking whatever the and transition will be applying to our code, to our application, that will be linear, and it will with the same speed from start to an end. Means whatever animation you will be, whatever transition effects you will be implementing or you will be giving to your application, they all are in a linear way. They are same speed, means they will transition effect will have the same speed from start to an end. Then the background color is light blue and height is 50 pixel and width is 100%. Then over here ng.ng, so this is a predefined directive of AngularJS, and it is mainly used in your animation sections. Okay, which will height is 0, width 0 and background color transparent. Over here ng app, this is a predefined directive which defines your root element of an AngularJS and which equals to ng animate. Then this is some of the contents which will be shown, and over here check me. What I have done in my code is, the main motive is that I have to create a checkbox. On clicking that checkbox, the thing will be shown some. Okay, that means let's see this code, save this and just make it run. So over here, as I will click on check me, so this IntelliRise Tech Solution, this is my animation I have done, and I untick this, so this will disappears. So what I have done over here is, whenever the div element, this what is ng show. So what is the function of this ng show is, whenever the div element, it will get this ng show. Okay, ng show class, whenever it will get ng show class, all the transition will take about 0.5 seconds, and height and width, it will smoothly changes from 100 pixel to 0. It has been shown over here 100 pixel, which has been converted, means as you click on that ng show, on when you click on that check, the height and width, it will be coming to 0. That means it will smoothly change from your values to the 0. Okay, so this is how we have created this animation by using AngularJS. So that's all for today's session. For more updates, please stay tuned to IntelliLearn.in. Thank you.